On the dermatology service, we primarily focus on allergies in pets. That would be the majority of what we see. We see dogs, cats, horses, and some exotic animals as well. We also help to treat animals who have ongoing chronic skin and ear infections that have been difficult to treat, as well as autoimmune skin diseases and sometimes even cancer. During the springtime, the weather starts to get warmer. The plants start to pollinate, and typically we start to see our pets with allergies begin to show signs of allergy. Signs of allergy in pets include hair loss, itchiness, infection, and those can all be clues to you that something might be going on. Other times, pets might have runny, itchy eyes and nose as well. If you notice any of those signs in your pet, you would definitely want to ask your veterinarian about possibly having underlying allergies with your dog or cat. Other signs that you might want to watch for that might be a little more subtle would be things like ear infections. Sometimes ear infections are hard to know that they're happening. You might notice your dog is rubbing their head or face, shaking their head a lot, sometimes pawing at their ears. Other signs that an allergy could be present is a skin infection. Skin infections typically have a bad odor, or you might notice hair loss or crusting of the skin. And those can be some minor indications that an allergy is the cause of that chronic skin and ear infection. Sometimes cats may have difficulty breathing, and that could be allergies associated with underlying asthma. Additionally, in horses, we treat asthma. They may have chronic itchy skin, hair loss, tail rubbing, biting at their sides, and then even sometimes asthma in horses can be associated with allergy as well. If your pet has a secondary skin infection associated with their allergies, one of the most common questions we have are, can I get this from my dog or cat? Or could one of my other pets at home contract this same infection? The good news is, no, not usually. Usually you and your other pets at home will not get a skin infection because your allergic dog has one. Some of the things that you can do at home to help control allergy in your pets include use of certain medications under the guidance of a veterinarian, such as antihistamines, steroids, or other allergy modification drugs. You can also try to reduce exposure to some of the things they could potentially be allergic to. One of the most common allergies we see in dogs and cats is allergy to dust mites, like house dust mites, and sometimes use of HEPA filters or reduced numbers of carpeting, frequent changing of bedding. That can all help to reduce their exposure to those allergens. If you feel like your pet needs to be seen by a dermatologist, there are two ways that you could schedule an appointment with Auburn. You could either have your veterinarian call us to share some information about your pet so that we can help get an appointment scheduled, or you can call us directly and schedule an appointment for a time that's best for you.